Hello, my name is Teacher Izzy, and I am a qualified TEFL teacher with more than 6 years teaching experience in English. I absolutely love teaching younger learners. I believe to create a safe and secure environment for each and every single little one will ensure that they reach their full potential. In my class, they will always be a shining star. Yes, we make use of different props and hand puppets, as well as we love singing and playing fun games, all while learning English together. So I would love for you to join my class and to come and meet me. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.